So, if we consider a system of charged particles, then around this system in the space, at each point, there is electric field vector quantity and there is another quantity which is scalar, and that is called electric potential. So now let us relate electric field and electric potential. Means if electric field is known, then we can find potential difference and potential. So if an electric field is given and if we consider 2 points in the electric field, point I and point F, and any path connecting between the 2 points, if on this path we know electric field vector at each point, then we can find potential difference between the 2 points. And if one potential we take 0, then we can find potential at another point. So let us see here, calculating potential from field. Calculating electric potential from electric field. So let us consider an electric field, and in general electric field it may be non-uniform. So see, field lines, they are like this. Field lines are shown, and if we take 2 points, point I and say point F, this point F, and consider any arbitrary path connecting the 2 points, this path, and let us take a positive test charge Q0 from this point I to point F. And here you see at this point electric field vector, it is shown, this is electric field vector, E vector, and here at this point positive test charge Q0 it is moved to reach point F along this path. So this is small displacement ds vector. So consider a positive test charge Q0 work done by electric field in moving it by displacement ds vector dw is equal to, so you know Q naught, this is the charge, positive charge, and E is electric field, so electric force acting on this charge is Q naught E in the direction of electric field, and this is displacement. So work done when this charge moves from this point to this nearer point. So this work done is F dot ds vector, and it is equal to Q naught E dot ds vector. Now work done by electric field in moving plus Q naught charge from point I to point F in the electric field. W is equal to, so integration dw, and it is equal to integration Q naught E dot ds vector, and you can say Q naught integration E dot ds. This is the work done by electric field, and you know potential difference we have defined Vf minus Vi, it is equal to minus W upon Q, and W we have calculated, so you can put here, and here charge it is Q naught, so Vf minus Vi is equal to minus W upon Q naught, and this is equal to minus integration E dot ds. Here one thing you can do here initial point is point I and final point is F, so we can integrate from point I to point F, point I to point F, here also point I to point F. So this is relation. Vf minus Vi is equal to minus integration I to F E dot ds vector. If B set Vi is equal to 0, say generally at infinity we take potential energy 0 and hence potential also 0, so Vi is equal to 0, say at infinity, then you can write Vf, possibly V is equal to minus integration E dot ds, and you can infinity to point F. Here we have taken Vi is equal to 0 at infinity. So V is equal to minus integration infinity to F E dot ds. If we want potential at point at position R, then you can write V is equal to minus integration infinity to R E dot ds, like this. So this relation gives potential at point or at position R. Here we have taken potential 0 at infinity. Now let us calculate electric potential due to a point charge. Electric potential due to a point charge. So consider a point charge Q, and for simplicity let us take positive point charge, and we want potential at point P. Say charge it is at point O, and we want potential at point P. At r distance away from charge. Point P it is at r distance away from charge. We want potential at this point, and say this is infinity. So here let us consider a positive test charge plus Q naught, and we can take any path between this point P and infinity, and for simplicity we take a straight line path. This is straight line path. And you know, we are taking plus Q naught charge from this point P to this infinity. So just you have seen V f minus Vi is equal to minus integration I to f E dot ds. And here you know electric field vector at this point P, it is directed radially outward. So here, and we are taking this plus Q naught charge also along radial direction. So here our ds vector, it is dr vector, because we are taking this plus Q naught charge along this direction, and this vector it is along this radial direction, radially outward. So dr vector and ds vector, here this ds vector is equal to dr vector. So in place of ds vector we can write here dr vector. Here this is initial point, point P is initial point, and infinity it is final point. So this relation we know. Now here you see, if this is positive charge, then its electric field it is directed radially away. So here electric field vector it is also directed radially away. E vector and dr vector, they are in same direction. So you can say E vector dot dr vector it is equal to E dr cos 0. Magnitude of E vector multiplied by magnitude of dr vector multiplied by cos 0. So E dr cos 0 is 1 I to f. Now you can put value here. say this distance, this is r prime. Then this vector, let us take dr prime vector. So it is dr prime vector, it is dr prime, it is dr prime. Now, E, you know magnitude of electric field due to positive point charge at r prime distance, it is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r prime square. So you can put here. Yes. So now let us solve it. So you have Vf minus Vi is equal to minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration r prime to the power minus 2 dr prime, and limit I to f. Here I means small r and f means infinity. So r to infinity minus, and you know integration x to the power n dx, it is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here it is r prime to the power minus 2 plus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1. You can put here limits. So we have this relation 1 upon infinity is 0, so minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r, and on left side we have Vf minus Vi. Now here Vf, f means infinity, and Vi, this is I means point which is at r distance. So we can write Vf is equal to V infinity and Vi is equal to Vr. So this relation we have. Now here, generally we take potential 0 at infinity. So we set V infinity is equal to 0. Then here you have Vr is equal to minus Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. But this means simply Vr is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Or simply you can say V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. So this is the relation for electric potential due to a point charge Q at r distance away from the charge. Although here we have derived this relation for positive charge Q, but this is valid if charge is negative. So you can see if charge is positive, then its potential is positive. If charge is negative, then its potential is also negative, provided we have assumed potential 0 at infinity. So here you can see if we set potential 0 at infinity, then potential due to charge, point charge, it is inversely proportional to distance. If charge is positive, then potential is positive. Charge is negative, then potential is negative. You can plot V versus R plot, and it is simply like this. Here we have taken magnitude of potential. Here, this is magnitude of potential. If Q it is negative, then potential is negative. So here we are plotting magnitude of potential with R.